Hi there everybody, Dr. Steve here with Kinesi, and this one is going to be your ulnar nerve gliding. The ulnar nerve is known as the funny bone nerve. It comes down from the inside of the arm, goes around the little groove of the inside elbow bone, and if you hit your elbow on something and you have that zinger, that's the funny bone, the ulnar nerve as it comes around the corner. So to put this nerve on stretch, it's kind of a funny position, but what we want to do is get the arm bent up, and we're trying to get the wrist bent back into extension, almost like your fingers are kind of pointing down. Some of the positions are sometimes trying to make that funny little kind of fighter pilot sort of mask on both sides, if I can get both sides, so you, if you're the fighter pilot, but that's the position that we're trying to get the arm in to put the nerve on stretch. So what we're going to do is the ulnar nerve is on stretch when the arm is up in this position, and you can feel kind of a deep stretch sensation, and that's normal, but you don't want to be going to the point that you're causing pain. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tip the head over to that side, and then we're going to straighten the head and straighten the wrist at the same time. And then you're going to bend the wrist and bend the head over to that side at the same time. And so what's happening here is when the arm is in this position, we have the nerve on tension, but the head tipped over is providing some slack. We straighten the head to put tension on the neck end, straighten the wrist to put slack on the nerve, and then we go back and forth. You can also do both sides at the same time, where we're getting the brachial plexus. The brachial plexus are the weave of nerves that come out of the neck and go through the shoulders, but they branch off to all of the nerves. So we can get both hands kind of up into that position there, and then you straighten one wrist, the opposite wrist, and then you go back and forth with the head as you straighten and bend. So you're bending the wrist and tipping the head over to that side, you straighten the other one, and then back and forth in this funny little dance that's almost like you're doing the I Am Egyptian dance from way back in the 80s days. Anyway, dating myself. Okay, so let's leave it at that. Be sure to have fun with that one, everybody.